Hey guys, Kevin here from Chinap Farm. I'm a software engineer who's passionate about farming. Where we are right now, it's our brooding area. So here we had 400 birds. In those 400, we have lost 200 birds. So why did we lose these 200 birds? Oh Lord, we normally vaccinate these birds, and it reached a period where we have to give them gomboro. So we had a vaccination failure when we gave them gomboro, and they started dying. We did multivitamin, we did some booster, we helped with alicerin. I contacted a vet, a friend of mine, and he told me, because it's me who have been vaccinating them. So the vaccination failure came when I went and I bought a wrong vaccine which is expired. So those guys, somehow they gave me vaccine which is expired. So this what you are seeing here, it's a failure of gomboro. It can't be Newcastle, because after I gave them Newcastle vaccine, they were really good. So I want to show you around and how this guy they are doing. You're going to see some of them are weak. Look in the corner there. Look in the corner. You can see this corner here. We have almost 3 birds. I'm just going to pick one. Yes. You can see this bird well. Look how it has lost weight. This bird they have been eating well, but look how they have lost weight. Look. They are not really eating well. I don't know if you can see well. Look. It has lost weight. It's not 4 weeks back. So this is what we do, because here now this gomboro failure, it doesn't have medicine. So we are trying our best to give them booster, to feed them ourselves. So this is what we do. We try to give it food like this. I don't push the food inside. I just go eat from here. Then I do this. Then you can see. You can see it's going to eat. You see? You see what he's doing? So guys, this is the second room. So now this bird, they are really active. They are kind of active, but this also is another issue. How they are, all of them are in one place. So what I'm going to do, we keep checking. I'm just going to chase them. Hey guys, guys. This is not really good for them. So we have to do this. We have just to get them off here. Okay? So it's not good or bad to be like this. Okay? So guys, as you can see, these birds are really active. And so what we did, if you haven't seen my previous video where I'm showing this place, it was full of birds. But now we divide them. As you can see, we open the area. They are going to be almost 2 weeks. Then this is the second. This is the first. Almost there are remaining 2 weeks for them to be here. Then we are going to arrange the other place. I'm going to make also a video about the other place, how we are going to make it, where we are going to move them from. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on this YouTube channel. So these are the birds. These are brown. These are brown birds, and they are layered. These birds are good, but this time we had a lot of loss because of vaccination failure. But what we know, look at the corner there. I don't know what is happening here, but the guys here are just in one corner. So I have to check where they are in one corner. I want to check this bird. Well, it has some food, This bag has some food. I know now because we have just light the Sibiri now. These pots. So after this they are going to be warm. That's why they keep getting in one place. But we have already light the pots, and the pot is now getting some fire. As you can see, the pot we are using, it's a normal pot. Okay. This guy is not easy, but we know we shall overcome. If you really want to do farming, you have to have passionate about it. Without passion, you will stop on your way. Okay? So, this is our 4th week. But you can see guys are not growing the way they want, the way they have to be. So what we are doing now, after this, now they are just drinking plain water because they are being in vitamin. So this coming week, we are going to give them some vitamin again and keep feeding them. We know we shall overcome because this bird in 4 months and a half, they have to get bigger.